Hi, time for a drill. In the previous two videos, we were talking about list comprehensions. Let's practice them now. But before you start, make sure to watch the two videos on list comprehensions if you haven't done so yet. Okay, in this video, I'll ask you to code 3 list comprehensions. Maybe they don't seem extremely useful, but maybe there are some use cases for them out there. Anyway, let's say it's just for practice. The first one is about numbers. We want a list of all the numbers from 1 through 100 whose last digit is 1. So this is what we want to get: 1, 11, 21, 31, and so on. Now just a hint, in order to check if a number ends in a specific digit, you can convert it to a string and use the ends with method. Okay, pause the video and write a list comprehension that will take care of it for us. And here's the solution. X for x in range 1, 101 if str of x ends with 1. And now we get what we wanted. Okay, the second example. Here we have a string. A equals insane. Now we want to make the following list. Now pause the video and try to do it on your own. Make use of slicing and use the range function with a negative step. Just a hint, don't forget to capitalize the first letter in each string. There's a string method you can use to do that. Okay, and here's the solution. A sliced from the beginning to n not being included. Now capitalize for n in range len of a 0 and the step -1. And now we get what we wanted to get. Finally, our last example, a slightly tricky one. We have a matrix defined as a list of lists. A equals 5, 7, 4, 8, 2, 1, 7, 5, 3, 6, 4, 9. As you can see, it's not a square matrix, but it doesn't matter. What we want to make is a matrix in which each number is replaced by the greatest number in its row. So, the matrix should look something like this. Because in the first row, 7 is the greatest number. 8 is the greatest number in the second row. 7 is the greatest number in the third row. And 9 is the greatest number in the last row. Now pause the video and try to do it using a list comprehension. Just a hint, you can use the built-in max function to find the greatest number in each row. And here's the solution. Max row for I in row for a row in A. So for each row in the A matrix, a new sublist will be created, so a new row. And in this new row, for each element of this row, so for each of the 3 numbers in each row, the maximum of the 3 numbers will be returned. And this is the output, just as we wanted. Well, these were just a couple of examples, maybe not the most useful ones, but list comprehensions are powerful and fast tools which are used all the time, so make sure you get familiar and befriended with them. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.